Hi all. Okay, what is this? Let's see. Remote control. A box. Let's open the box. Yeah. Okay, you can see a relay, connection, antenna, and few chips. You can remove it. Nothing special here. And one button. Probably the button is changing the mode of operation. This is of course a RF remote control. If you want to control something like a light or a, I don't know, a siren or do something and then stop it, this is the tool for you. By the way, it was stuck in custom for a very long time, because they ask many questions about frequencies and for what is it, and I told them it is 433 megahertz, which is a frequency that is allowed in many, for example, car remote control key. If you open your car, usually same frequency, or 315 or something like this. So now I would like, of course, to operate this, and I have another one, and of course they should not operate together, which means this remote will not operate on this board because there is some inscription in order to operate each one of those. You have many codes, and probably it was set with a code already. Maybe this is the learning for the remote, I don't know. No manual, no nothing. Maybe I can find something on the net, but let's do it here and now and understand it together. Okay, so what you can see here, we have in minus and in plus. Probably this is the operation voltage, which is written here, 12 volts. So we'll supply 12 volts, and the other are the relay, which is common, normally closed and normally open. This means that you can decide if it's normally closed, and then if you press it will open the relay, or the opposite. Yeah, 2 direction remote control relay. Okay, so now I will of course need to connect some wires, apply the voltage that is needed, and see what we get. So I have here a 10K resistor, so I can connect between the minus and the plus. Because there is high resistance between those, I can supply voltage without any issue. Although it is connected, of course, the correct way to operate is just to apply 2 wire, but that's exactly the same. So okay, so now I've connected resistor between the plus and the minus of this relay, and we'll together understand how it is working. So this way to the side is the minus. Of course, if you connect the opposite, I don't know if it can burn the circuit or not. Usually it can, so we'll try to be accurate. So 12 volt, 1 amp, of course it's more than enough, and we said that this is the minus. Yeah, and the other side is the plus, and then we'll see what is happening. Nothing. You see? Okay, there is a LED. I don't hear any click, I don't hear anything. Now. Okay, so I don't know if we learn it or... Okay, it is working. I don't know again what is the button is doing, but let's take the remote from the second one. And we will see, of course, that it is not operating. So maybe, I guess this is a learning something. Yeah, if I press, let's see, yeah, you see. Now I also change the mode of operation, because I don't have the off, but each time I press is like a toggle, and one time plus and one time minus. Let's see if it still remembers this one. Yeah, so it is learning the remote controls that you are setting to it, and you can see that this operate differently than this now. So it's not just pressing. Okay, I understand. So probably you need to get it to light red. This is the learning curve, and then no, now it is doing nothing. You hear? Now it is it's working differently. When I press, it's on. When I leave, it's off. So you have all the option. One of them is to learn it, and the second one is to choose which button is doing what. This is the time to try to open the manual and find exactly how it works. So I will try to find the manual. So let's do it now and see if they are explaining how to work with it. Okay, so I found instructions. See how it works. First, 8 times it will clear the memory. So 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the memory is cleared, so it will not work. Good, working. Now, learning mode 2, momentary, which means if I press, it will trigger the relay, and if I release, it will immediately stop it. So how do we do it? Push the learning key once, and then choose your button. Yeah, and the momentary is working. You see? And this is now not working. Again, we'll clear the memory. Now I will move to toggle mode. Toggle mode twice, so 1, 2. And now I choose my button. And each press one time on, one time off. Yeah, working. So the toggle is working. Now there is a latching mode. A latching mode. Let's see, latching. Push the button, let flash 5 times after 3 seconds. Okay, let's first delete. No, not deleted. Now it is deleted. Now we'll go for latching mode. Latching is, let's see what is latching. So in order, let's see how to do it. Just need to learn 2 buttons. Okay. Triple time, 1, 2, 3. So now 1 button and second button. Okay, 1 is opening and 1 is closing. Good. Now we have a delay mode. Let's see how to do it. First, let's delete. Deleted. Now we have a delay time for 5 seconds, and 10 seconds. So let's do the 5 seconds. So we need 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we choose a button. Now it will trigger the relay just to 5 seconds. Let's see. After 5 seconds, it should be off. Good, great. This is nice. And now we'll move, you can do it to 10 seconds and 15 seconds. Okay, let's do it for 10 seconds. You just need 5 presses. Let's first delete. Deleted. Now the 10 seconds delay is 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we apply a button and now it will trigger to 10 seconds. Should off now. Yeah, this is working. Nice. So very nice. I will put a link in the description where to buy it, and this is working, guys. So thank you and bye.